Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today should be the 3rd of May. So in Dawn's new release there is a mini kit. It is sold separately. You can let me see if I can remember this. Actually, I don't need to. I should have it written down. Let me see if I've got it written down. That's for the other one. Right. Bear with me for a second. Where are you? Here we are. Yes, so the mini kit is called, is it Mayflowers or Maize Flowers? Something like that anyway. So yeah. So let's get it all out. I think in my unboxing that I did, you got this die set, and I didn't know what it was. I didn't know what die cut it made. Yeah, so we've had our monthly design team video chat, and we've talked. And our lovely Lorna actually looked up to see what it is, and it is a calla lily die. So I've done it. I think that's the way it's supposed to go. Dawn did put a picture in the chat group, and yeah, I copied it, and hopefully it looks the same. So there we go. So I am creating 2 cards. These measure 3.5 by 3.5 square. Right, I'm going to use that in a minute. So yeah, 2 cards. You get these. Gorgeous. So what am I going to use? Ooh, I like that. So we've got that, and that one, that one. Okay, so that's the first one. Let's just put them there. Let's cut these down. So 3.5 squared. So I want my first layer, my matting layer, to be 2 3/4. Is that right? No, 3 1/4. So 3 1/4. There we go. And then my layer I want at 3. Hopefully I've done that right. A little bit small. Let's put that over there, that there. Let's see if that does fit. And it fits. I think, do you know, I think the calla lily's too big. I'm going to have to cut the end off, I think. Yeah, I'm going to have to cut the end off. I don't particularly want to cut the end off. No, it won't go like that. Yeah, I'll just cut the end off there, put it in the middle like that. I'm going to mark it. I'm going to cut it off there. Okay, yes. Okay, right, let's get to sticking. We do have a couple of sentiments in here. So we have these sentiments: happy birthday, I think this thank you, and one be dazzling. So we'll have to choose one. I think I'm going to make this into a little mini thank you card. There's that one. And this one. There we are. Let's stick our calla lily down. Oop. I wanted it straight, didn't I? Like there. Is it coming off the top? It's coming off the top of the card, so I'm going to have to put it down to the bottom of the card, like that. Isn't that pretty? I've got glue all over it now. Pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. We also have in the mini kit little thank you stickers, and I'm thinking maybe I'll use a sticker. I quite like that one there. There, I think, just there. And also in this mini kit, you get a bow. You get a little packet of, do you know, the diamond art gels? Get them, and 2 buttons. And I do believe I'm going to use everything. So let's get, ooh, little tiny packet. Oh dear, these are going to go everywhere. Right, let's get a couple out. Come on. Okay, I'll close that up just in case I decide to throw everything everywhere. And I'm gonna put the tiniest bit of glue, Claire. The tiniest bit of glue. That's still not tiny. Huge, huge. Right, I'm sorry if my head gets in the way. Let's see which ones we've got here. Oh, we've got a grey one there. Way too much glue there, Claire. Way too much glue. Oh, look what I've done. Where's it gone? I've lost it. I am making this look an absolute mess. Right, let's get a different one. Let's go for little brown ones. Oh, I've got glue on there. And that one. Okay, you do get the things in the die to make your little like seeds for the ends of here, but yeah, Dawn said she used these and yeah, I like it. I'm going to put a couple more on actually. Little bits of glue, thank you. So I'm going to put one there, and one there. Okay. That one, and that one. There we go. Are you stuck? Okay, so there we go. That is my first mini card. Beautiful. I love that. Right, second mini card. What am I doing? Well, I want to use this little bow. I think it's a gorgeous girl bow. Yeah, so I'm going to shape my, no, wrong way, Claire. No, do it the right way. No, little bow, so it looks like that. Ooh, where are you going? And put these buttons on as well. Yeah, so I think I want to use the purple. I don't even know if you can see. And this one's got butterflies on and dragonflies. So yeah, I'm going to use that one. Okay. So let's get the measurements. Just going to try and move some stuff out of the way so I can fit my trimmer on. Right, okay, so it's 3.5. So I want 3 1/4. This is the big bit, yeah. Yes. 3¼ so this one wants to be 3 by 3. 3 about 3. Okay, so we have this. Okay, I'm gonna stick these matten layers down because I'm not sure exactly what it is I'm going to do. To put, I haven't got any little butterflies to hand. What's this one? Got a little wooden one. I think I'm going to use that for something. Yeah, no, it's one colour anyway. Like that. And then this one. Like so. So how is everybody enjoying playing with the kit? The cutesy treasures? I think it's absolutely amazing. Oh, one moment. The need for a butterfly is overwhelming. So that's just an envelope. I have my box of butterflies here. I've got fussy cuts to put in here as well. So they're just too beautiful, aren't they? I love these butterflies. Oh, got that one. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? Beautiful. Bit too big. I thought I had a little envelope of butterflies. Got this one. Maybe I can put them together. Oh, yes. Yes, I'm doing that. Just noticed there's little hearts in that one. I just make sure I'm not bending any. Back in. Yes, Christmas box. Make use of everything. I've got paper all over me. My desk is an absolute mess. There's just things just being pushed back so you cannot see nothing. So yeah, I'm going to stick this butterfly down. I quite like that. So yeah, I'm going to stick it right there. There. And then this one, I'm just going to stick it in the middle. I'm just going to bring the card closer to me so I can do it properly and get it all stuck properly. There we go. Yeah, it's not even the same die cut, but they go together really, really well. So I've got very shaky hands at the moment. Right, we'll leave that there. Don't mess about with it, Claire. I'm going to use the Dazzling because I like the shininess of that. It's like a rose gold, I think. So be Dazzling there. Then I have got my 2 buttons, which I think I'm going to go there. And then if I put the Be Dazzling there, then I can do that. And then it's got like a diagonal. Yeah, I like that. Right, so I'm going to stick Be Dazzling down first. Oh, I'll drop it. Okay. Put that back there. And then my little bow, I've not used normal glue on like fabric bows or ribbon bows. I've always used hot glue, but Dawn said that it sticks, so I'm trusting her. Leave that to dry and put my buttons on. If I'd have thought I could have got some cotton out and put like little cotton bows in there, that's a good idea. I've got lots of buttons, so yeah, I'm just making a good big glue mess. Shall we put some drills on? Maybe one there. There he is. We have purple 3 more purple ones. Yeah, so one there, one there, one there. Don't ask me why that's where I put them. That's where I want them. That one and that one. And there we go. My cards are finished. Hopefully it didn't take too long. Right, I'm going to end up losing these because they're teeny tiny. I could make a shaker, couldn't I, with them? I think, yeah. I think that will be the next video when I'm playing with this mini kit. Will be I don't even know if I've got any mini cards. I can always cut some down, can't I? Yes. So yeah, on the next video using this mini kit, I think we're going to do a little shaker. I think that would be lovely, wouldn't it? Yes, I agree, Claire. Be perfect. Okay, I'm leaving it there. I'm going. So if you are interested in this gorgeous kit, please go over to Dawn's online shop. Don't forget that you can get print and post-it option for the cutesy treasures that is out this month. And also go and check out to see what the design team have done with this kit. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, everything will be in the description box below, so please take a look. So yeah, all that's left for me to say now is goodbye. So I'm going. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in another video very soon. Bye bye for now.